Welcome to God's own country from Kerala. Due to COVID, we are not allowed to go to any tourist place, but we will just go around on the jungle side. We will drink Kerala beer today. Let's see how it goes. I'm waiting for my friend to come and pick me up. So let's see how it goes. We will roam around the whole day. We will go for swimming. I hope we will have a good time. It's really hot, humid compared to Bangalore, but it's peaceful. Countryside full of coconut tree. My friends are coming soon. Going to the shop. So now sir taking us to the shop in the jungle side. So now we are going to experience the 2D. Now I'm going to compare rice beer and 2D. 2D is making with coconut. Coconut tree. Coconut tree. But in Northeast we make with rice. No. In Northeast we have one 2D type. We make that with rice. So I'm going to compare that with 2D. Yeah. Now somewhere we are going the jungle side.
Very good.
We reach the place. Oh, we're drink from there. Jungle side.
जंगल है फुल टाइगर है लायन है ब्लॉग ले लो
Fox is there.
पिग also is there.
We will try to catch one. We will try to catch one pig. Jungle pig. We will fry and eat.
You will catch immediately.
Now we are looking for a place to drink today. Now I think we can go that side.
That is the other property.
Other property, huh? He is looking for a place to sit down and drink. This is my friend. Say hi. Hi. This is Kerala. So now we are searching for today. You know today? Yes. Yeah, we are searching for today. Nah. We are searching for today in jungle side. So we are going to compare that today with rice beer. Yes. We are going to compare who is more strong. Who is more strong? Today is more strong or beer is more strong? We are going to compare. Bye. Okay. So now they give us permission. Now we are ready to drink. Come on. Let's go. Oh, okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nagaland. This is the today. Bye. Thank you. Now
Water, pure water.
we may see some jungle pig. Now we are looking for a place to sit down and relax with the today. This is very similar to rice beer which we found in the northeast side.
Pork has done this.
Pork
leg.
Oh, jungle pork.
Oh, jungle. See, bone.
Oh, I think this is cow. No cow.
Pig.
Oh, jungle pig. This is wild boar.
Take the photo.
There are so many wild boar here around. If we have gun, we can hunt. But hunting is not allowed, right?
Hunting will do.
Hunting not allowed.
Gun under
This is a rubber farm.
നിങ്ങളുടെ സൗകര്യം
നിങ്ങളുടെ സൗകര്യം.
Good place, good place. We will sit.
5 ലിറ്റർ കൊണ്ടുവന്നില്ല രാവിലെ.
We will sit here. We will sit here
That is for sitting,
for sitting. Let's sit there.
സമാധാനത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്.
വൈകുന്നേരം ഉണ്ടാക്കി സാധനം.
Now we are ready to start our 2D test.
പിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
Wow.
ഭാര്യ
വീട്ടിലോ ലെവലില്
താങ്ങിയിരിക്കണം, മടങ്ങിയിരിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
അതെ
വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ്ട് വയ്ക്കണം.
അവനോട്
Just give him. No, no, give him.
ഡ്രസ്
Oh.
ഭയങ്കര ബാഡ് സ്മെൽ ഉണ്ടാവും കേട്ടോ ഡ്രസ്.
Oh.
Don't put it in dress.
Cheers.
Yes. Take block ले लो.
This is called 2D in Kerala. This is similar to raspberry which we found in our state. Let me test.
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾ വന്നു പോയത് തോന്നുന്നു.
Wow. Super, yeah. This is better than raspberry in Northeast.
Same taste ना.
This is better.
This is good.
This is like a pineapple juice. Pineapple. Very good, very good.
അറിയോ?
Coconut tree from there it is.
From coconut tree.
It is getting.
But how we need to drink how many cup to get drunk?
എത്ര കപ്പ് കുടിക്കണം കിക്കാവാന്ന്? You tell.
2 glass.
2 glass. two glass is too less.
Too less.
You know, two glass is too less to get drunk.
ഉത്തരം പറയാം. 2 glass ലിക്ക് നീ ഇരിക്ക്.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അറിയില്ല.
At least we need 5.
ഞാൻ വന്നിങ്ങനെ കാലത്തേക്കും അതാണ്.
But this is really good.
നല്ല കൂൾ അല്ലേ ഏരിയ?
ഇതിൽ നമ്മൾ ചൂടത്തിരിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
Whoever visit Kerala, they should first find 2D and drink. Chicken vindaloo. This is my friend prepared and came. This is special Kerala chicken style.
കഴിയാ?
You know, naga chili,
ആകലാൻ.
big chili, very hot. That is our main
ആൾക്കൂടി
dish.
എടുക്ക് എടുക്ക്.
This is very very soft, but kick will come fast. This,
കൊട്ടിട്ട് കാക്കി പോയി.
It won't come.
this is original.
This is original.
നല്ല കൂളായി അല്ലേ?
This is very nice. But we should not drink much. We will get drunk.
At least we should bring 10 liters.
10 liter. Oh, no.
No.
10 liter is too much. This is enough.
എന്താണ്?
അവൻ പറയാ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു ദിസ് ഇസ് ഗുഡ് ഡ്രിങ്ക് ബട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ കഴിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു നോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ലെസ്, ഇത് കുറവാണ്, 10 liters നമ്മൾ ഡ്രിങ്ക് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന്. നോ 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 നോ
2 liters.
2 liters is enough.
1%.
ഞാൻ
In the middle of the forest, we are drinking 2D. We can call it rice beer. We can call it rice beer in Northeast, but
റൈസ് ബിയർ.
rice beer.
റൈസ് ബിയർ അത്
We make,
ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ റൈസ് ബിയർ പണി കൊടുക്കും. സെയിം ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ.
but this is better. This is something soft, nice smell.
നേരെ
But we can't drink much.
10 മണിക്ക് എത്തിനോ?
ബട്ട് ദിസ് ഇസ് ഗുഡ്.
Yeah. The benefit of this one, what is it?
പൊറോട്ട.
യുവർ കിഡ്നി
Kidney become clean.
become clean. Your spoiled things on the digestion system it will come out in urine.
Oh.
You see, after you urine it will be pure white mineral water.
Oh, then we should drink more.
Yeah.
We should drink more then.
കൂടുതൽ കുടിക്കണമെന്ന്.
കൂടുതൽ കുടിച്ചാൽ മൂത്രം അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകും.
അങ്ങനെയാണ് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ആദ്യം 2 ലിറ്റർ വന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അവർ നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ
കൂടുതൽ കുടിക്കുക. മൂത്രം നല്ല ക്ലിയർ ആവും.
It's good.
urine becomes very clear.
Very clear.
Your kidney because it is mixed with kerosene, no?
Kerosene.
No.
It is good. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് പറയും
Full now. But good. Super.
കേട്ടോ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ പോടോ.
Whenever we have festival, we eat pork.
വളർത്തുന്നത്
ബീഫ് വളർത്തണം.
നാടൻ
In our place, Nagaland, beef
That is wild. What he is telling is, you are eating farm, no? Wild boar.
Mm.
You should eat. It is very good taste. That is what he is saying.
But we are not getting wild boar.
കിട്ടുന്നില്ല.
Here we can get wild boar.
വെട്ടിയിട്.
We can get wild boar this area.
Evening.
Evening you can
Evening
get
it will start coming to homes and all.
wild boar.
Then it will disturb the agriculture. Whatever. Wild
should
boar
cage.
panna kaatu panni.
We should catch. We should
it
catch and fry.
It will disturb all the household agriculture, whatever you are doing. It will disturb and it will go. So you should plan to track that.
We should fry.
Hey, frog there. Take.
Frog.
Take
Frog.
Globe. Natural.
Frog. Frog came into our plate since we are in jungle side. Man, snake.
Peacock.
Peacock. Where?
More here.
Snake should not come.
Don't go there. Snake, no.
Even peacock is flying around. You can get everything here, and they don't kill the animal. They are very good people. We should be like them. So now we have been drinking like almost 30 minutes. I can't compete them. They are professional. Now we are done with our today. Today is super.
Today is super.
Better
And
than
thanks to the team.
he arranged today for us. Even though restaurants are all closed due to COVID, but somehow he bought the original today for us.
Hey, this you know. This tree name.
Coconut.
No. Coconut. This you put it in the leaf, no?
Nut.
Nut.
For making pan. For pan. For making pan. Nut.
What do you call that?
We call that walnut. Walnut.
No.
Hey,
No walnut.
is different, man.
Oh. This is rubber plant. So from here they collect. I mean, after how many months they need to cut this?
Yearly 6 months.
Every 6 months, then to cut this one. Next, here, it will come down like this.
Next time.
Okay. Till here.
Yes.
Funny, today is ended.
Second session we should be started
Now,
soon.
second session will be coming
Different
soon.
location.
Different.
5 o'clock.
Different
5
location.
o'clock.
No, not 5 o'clock. Different location. Next. gone
And
for
where's Raj?
Raju
Where's
has
Raj?
You tell Raju has gone for Appi.
Oh, he was there. Huh? Oh, he's coming.
It's coming in slow motion. Washing hand.
Now we are done with the today. Now I don't know where they will take me, but we will go and see different place. Wild boar. See, there are so many wild boar. There are so many wild animals here in this area, but they don't kill. They don't hunt like us. We should preserve the animal like them. So now we'll go with this, and we'll go to different place. Now we are going to different location. Now we are going to some places which I don't know. We will find out. Okay, so we reached the place.
We'll change the vehicle.
Oh, we change the vehicle. Now we'll go with this. Chicken.
Chicken with the next location.
We are going to different place.
After Appi is playing.
After drinking today. Drive slow. We should drive slow. No.
Back seat, everything is come down back.
Everything came down. We should drive slow. Slow down. Where are we?
Hotel, second location,
Today. Second round of today.
We are extending our schedule to the second location.
Yeah.
So
Today-
let us see what is happening over there.
Today second round.
Special over there.
Yeah, we'll see. Today second round on the way.
Mr. Pradeep is on the call. He is planning the things. So let us see
Let's
what's
see.
happening.
Yes.
Rajiv is in the mission
He's on the mission.
after Rapi.
The next destination.
Yeah. He is now free.
Right now,